Parker, Emily, and Evan have an eating contest, and they're just gonna go and it sounds like count to 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoever gets first dibs on the computer at Becca Parker's.
What?
But I'm second always. Some Parker's his friend. Looks like Parker's already halfway. Emily's like in 4th. Dude, look at Evan! He's not done! I'm gonna just scooch back. Oh, Evan takes a break. Come on, Parker, you can finish that in a bite! It looks like Evan's gonna be the first one done! Yeah! Come on, Parker! No, he won! He won! Parker won!